Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and welcome back to my channel ARYAN'S Education Hub. So today we are going to continue the chapter number 1 of EVS of standard 3. So let's start. And before starting I want to tell you that do like, share and subscribe my channel if you liked the video. Now let's start. Human beings use so many things from the environment. We get cotton, wool, and silk from our environment. We weave clothes from them. Now they have told that we, the human beings, use so many things from the environment. Means we take so many things from the environment. We obtain it from the environment, all the things. We get cotton, wool, and silk. We get cotton, wool, and silk from our environment. We weave clothes from them. We make things like mats, baskets, paper from materials in our environment. We build houses using clay and stone and wood. These materials too we get from our environment. Now they have told we make many things like mats, basket, papers from materials in our environment because we get the materials from our environment only. It is not made by man. And we build houses also using clay and stone and wood. These materials also we get from our environment. The seeds of some plants are scattered by the wind. As a result, seedlings of those plants grow in new places. Thus, plants too get help from their environment. So they have told the seeds of some plants are scattered by wind. Means because of the blows of winds they get scattered away. And as a result, seedlings of those plants grow in new places. Means new plants grow. Thus, plants too get help from their environment. Means the environment helps in the growth of plant also. Living things take many things from their environment. What effect does that have on the environment? Animals like vultures and foxes eat the flesh of dead animals. Thus, they clean the environment while they satisfy their hunger. Now they have told that animals like vultures and foxes they eat flesh of dead animals. Means the animals which are already dead or they are eaten before by some another animal. They eat those dead animals. Thus they clean the environment while they satisfy their hunger. So that remaining food using that they satisfy their hunger and the environment also get cleaned. Remains of dead animals decay. They mix with the soil. Leaves fall off trees. They too rot and get mixed in the soil. This makes the soil fertile. Plants get nourishment from fertile soil. Thus, living things bring about changes in non living things too. Now they have told the remains of dead animals decay. Now it is not possible for the all the vultures and foxes to eat all the dead animals. So the remains of dead animals that stay on the ground they decay. They mix with the soil. Leaves fall off trees. The leaves of the trees fall on the ground and they too rot and get mixed in the soil. And as the remains of dead animals, they also get mixed in the soil. This makes the soil fertile. Plants get nourishment from fertile soil. Now this thing makes the soil fertile and plants get nourishment. Means plants grow more stronger from this fertile soil. Thus, living things bring about changes in non-living things too. Do you know sheep's body is covered with wool? The sheep feeds on leaves of shrubs. As it does so, the seeds of some shrubs can get caught in its wool. When the sheep goes somewhere else, the seeds may fall off there. Thus, the sheep helps new seedlings of the shrub to grow in many different places. In this way, the sheep, which is an animal, and the shrub, which is a plant, help each other. Now, they have told some information that a sheep's body is covered with wool that we all know, and the sheep feeds on the leaves of shrubs. Now the sheep it feeds on the leaves of shrubs, means it eats the leaves of shrubs. As it does so, the seeds of some shrubs can get caught in its wool. Means when they are eating the shrubs, it can means when they are eating the leaves, the shrubs can get caught in its wool. And when the sheep go somewhere else, the seeds may fall off there. and when they are roaming here and there or go somewhere else, the seeds fall down, and the shape helps new seedlings of the shrub to grow in many different places. And now because that seed falls, it grows into a new plant, so it leads to growth of plants in new plants everywhere in different places. In this way, the sheep, which is an animal, and shrub, which is a plant, help each other. So in this way they have told an example that the sheep, which is an animal, and shrub, which is a plant, help each other, means animals and plants also help each other. Now we are going to see what we have learned. There are many things in our environment. Some of them are living things and some are non living things. Living things can move on their own. Living things need food. Food helps them to grow. Living things produce young ones like themselves. Living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. Living things get all that they need from their environment. Living things bring about the changes in non living things too. All things in the environment depend upon each other. Now we are going to see the point. Always remember, the needs of all living things are fulfilled by things in their environment. Such things should not be allowed to go waste. We must take care that we do not cause harm to environment. So with this we have completed our first chapter from standard 3 EVS. And if you want to see the first part, I have given the link in description. So guys, do watch the part 1 of this chapter, and hope you all liked this video. And if you all liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet you all in the next video.